How to use Visa gift card on DHgate. Before making a purchase on DHgate, ensure that your Visa gift card has a sufficient balance to cover the cost of your desired items. Open your web browser and go to the DHgate website. Use the search bar or browse through categories to find the products you want to purchase. Once you find an item you wish to buy, click on it to view details and add it to your cart. After adding all desired items to your cart, click on the cart icon or proceed to checkout. Provide the necessary shipping information, including your address and preferred shipping method. When prompted to choose a payment method, select credit, debit card, or Visa as the payment option. Enter the Visa gift card details as you would for a regular Visa credit or debit card. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code, the three-digit security code on the back of the card. Enter your billing information exactly as it appears on the Visa gift card account. This may include your name and address associated with the card. Double-check all entered information, including the card details and billing address, to ensure accuracy. Once verified, confirm the payment to complete the purchase. After completing the payment process, wait for DHgate to confirm your order and provide an order confirmation or receipt. After the transaction, verify that the purchase amount has been deducted from your Visa gift card balance. That's how you can use Visa gift card on DHgate.